bono tete ugenda sema sema wika bono ase skuru ya bono atwere ngaki igoro totebingo igoro ya Skyline.
Skyline kwanza ne skuru ingia sana Busongo. We started the year 2019. Then on 2020 to seek for the COVID which came. And then now to with around 100 kids. Litanga ndigantu kwana litanga ni Skyline ni school ego so mia masomo yo boroso funa kwa kwana. It's not a nice school.
Ne biya to yeke mena.
Tigang chagira litanga ni ni school ego ena na masomo yo boroso mine livia kama na go chaki school. 3 years gata mai digo soma no abu. Oda mai digo no number 1. Abantu bali bakonyo umwana umanya goliga number 1 Skyline. One in school go jaki mwana ebebike. So we started in 2019. Ne mwana bikego. That is around 100 and something. We have been operational from 2019 to 2023. I think it will be something 6 years, 5. I think 6 years. To avere operational. Tu ne school ere registered ne school emanyire kera se tali school operate ne yoski ne school okale to mwana ole shwaruna ne school emanyike
serikali ne emanyete
serikali ne emanyete account ne emanyete igo ne school registered. In fact ekero ward meeting one the first I think you are supposed to even go poly ed teacher kero go ikirega because no nya morali to go ward meeting mwana azimambia konyo wakore. So the first thing na bogo wali the teacher and to now to straight the certificate ya registration. So the anda na school emanyire bose ya manyekanire so at least one iga Skyline na odo na akari to ajagete with preschool classes. Ono iga to ikire class 8 ngore
mwakore tekera sei
ndo akore tamate ndo akore tamate mo and ntosabere tamaya ntosabere tabana ba because to our prepare we so ne school yigite class 8 that is the 844 system which yaerate ono yobne dara era imna yaere ono tuatige ne school yugo ka grade 6 and the junior high school which I think I will explain more on the same. One at least we have a population of 800 and something. We have 820 something by now.
Our
school as by now.
Una
nasi get the school. We are 820 something. So we started with 120 something. You remember? We are 8 something. We're gonna go on a school. Ego kina kabisa na nago kino go kine sengenja toka na quality services as our customer chaito.
Okay.